Your website is the foundation of your online presence. It is the ultimate lead generating machine. It is the first thing that most of your customers see when they search for your remodeling services online. As you well know, first impressions matter. Now, I'm sure you're aware of just how expensive a custom website can be. But we're different. Unlike most agencies that charge a large upfront fee to develop a new website and more fees for ongoing hosting and maintenance, we charge one flat monthly fee to host and maintain your website for as long as you would like to stay with us. And it gets better. We will design, build, and launch your custom website in under 30 days, guaranteed. Our experienced team of website designers and developers will blow away your competition with a stunning website that looks great on all devices. But wait, there's more. We then integrate online appointment scheduling and chat applications, website analytics, and call tracking so you know exactly which leads came from your website. Our professional copywriters will write 10 to 15,000 words of unique targeted content to instantly boost your organic rankings and search engines. From there, reclaim your online business listings and build high quality backlinks to your website. Will send even more customers automated text messages to leave a review online. Now, I could go on, but for the sake of your attention span, give us a call to discuss the rest. But don't wait. We are exclusive to only one remodeling company per region. So lock down your market before your competition does.